Opening his gift. Wow. Say, what do you say? Hey, guys. You talk to the cell phone. Look here. Oh, look at the camera. Hey, guys. How many gifts do you have? How many gifts do you have, love? How many? Big and small.
Wow. Wow.
Simod ba ya?
Wow.
Merry Christmas, love. Ipalit ko wrapper para gisiun.
Wow. What is that?
Wow. Are you happy? Are you excited?
Hello, ano mo itong na niya?
Simod ba ya? Simod. How to open that one? Hey, crumple. Oh, you open the box. You have to see your gift. What's inside that small box? Sige. Open wide. Do you need scissors?
Gisiya lang na eh.
Simod ba ya? Ako ya, simod. Wow! What's that? What is that? Open the bag. What's that? Is it a bag?
Is that it?
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Is it nice? Nice bag?
Wow.
Can you read what's this word? What's this word? What's this word? Huh? It's a?
Bag.
What's this word? Is?
Skechers.
Skechers. Nice one.